got a friend in me.
You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed,
You just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got a friend in me.
yeah, you've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
You got a friend in me.
If you got troubles,
I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you.
if we stick together, we can see it through. 'Cause you got a friend in me.
Yeah, you got a friend in me.
There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least, for most of the questions in my heart. Like, why are we here and where do we go? And how come it's so hard? And it's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at them stars and we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Moments just might find their way into my dreams tonight, but I know that they'll be gone when the morning light sings or brings new things. For tomorrow night you see that they'll be gone too. Too many things I have to do, but if all of these dreams might find their way into my day-to-day scene, I'd be under the impression I was somewhere in between, with only two, just me and you. Not so many things we got to do, or places we got to be. We'll sit beneath the mango tree now. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. We're somewhere in between together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. I believe in memories, they look so pretty when I sleep. Hey, now and when I wake up, you look so pretty sleeping next to me. But there is not enough time, and there is no song I could sing, and there is no combination of words I could say, but I will still tell you one thing, we're better together.
Job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But
Gino, you are the kind of person who is athletic, sweet, caring, thoughtful, kind, helpful, jolly, funny, dependable, loving, playful, strong, handsome, smart, and most of all, the best. This is why we love you so much. We love you, Gino. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday!
Surprise! Happy birthday, Chino. Sana ma-appreciate mo itong ginibo kong video presentation na ako nag-give. Kasi ako lang. Mayong tinapang si Damina, ako lang. Di man, joke lang. Siyempre, gabas kami tinapang. Chino, thank you sa Gabos. As in, sa Gabos Pon High School. Hanggang manyan na college na. Itong mga simpleng pag-apot-apot mo sa ako or sa pag-apot-apot din doon sa ako ni Mina. Pero na-appreciate ko talaga ito. Pero mas lalo ko ka mong namimiss. Mas lalo ka nang namimiss dahil doon. Gino, sana day mo pagbago mo na ugali. Itong dating dito na maray joker puripo dito minsan kasi once ilang luto na sinan ka pa lang ganito sana makasaan doon sana pag-abot ko dyan mag-jam kita siyempre ma-jam ito pero yan I can't wait sana yung birthday mo na-realize ko lang na siguro second time mo lang mag-surprise para sa imo. Sorry, itong mga oras na baby ka na surprise sila. Hindi mo ang surprise ta. Minsan mayo kaming kwarta. Promise pa kami talagang kwarta eh. And tas yun. Bawi-bawi din pag may time. Gino, dahil ka magpara dito, di ka magpara or di ka makahuga. Yung nga lang ito, namimiss ko na sabi all of the boys minsan. Sabi kita lang ng tulog na sa siyempre tulog doon. Sinilong silog. Pero na yan, kanina kami mag-lunch. And yan, maski nagka-conflicts kita, nagka-problema kita, lalo na kang 4th year, para mo na yan. Siyempre, dahil mga oras ako itong pinag-ibahan ta, na pinadangat na, siyempre pinadangat ta ka as barkada. Tapos, yan, Gino, pag abot kang, ang future araw ko maging successful ka. Tapos yan, di ka mag-begin playboy. and yan, itong mga lessons na tigsabi mo sa ako, mga pangaral mo, yan, miss ko na to. I-miss ko na makaibahan ka mo sa school, itong permi ko ka mo mahiling, maski na dahil kita nag-uulay, hiling lang, okay na to sa ako. Itong agi-agihan, araw ka yan. Tapos yan, maski harayo ako dyan, pero may man ako yaon, hindi para sa iyo. Maski di ka na nagtitext, okay man lang, okay na talaga. And, yan. Sana di ka magpa-BI. And, sa gabos-gabos, sana ma-appreciate mo ni. Sana, sana, ang wish ko lang talaga sa imo, good grades, healthy lifestyle, and, syempre, happy life. I miss you, Chino. Happy birthday. Mwah. Love you.
Hi, Chino! Hi, Chino! Hi, Chino! Hi, Chino! Hi, Chino. May mga haputong kami mo yan sa imo. Nasa hot seat ka mo yan. Sana na po, mami, manika sa birthday mo. Nag-effort pa lang kami. Hi. Hi. Kumusta ka man dyan? Okay ka man dyan? Hi. Dapat okay ka ba dyan? You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road your hand, your mouth is mine. 'Cause you've got a friend in me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama Chu.
Birthday. Sana maging naugma ako niya ng birthday mo. Hindi ka magdugot na naraot yan. Sisay sa miskian ng rason. Tapos yaon man si Dom sa kasunina para tugahan ka sa birthday mo, kaya miski mayo ako bilang yan. Ma-attend na lang ako sa mga masunod pang birthday. Sigurado pa ko ba last birthday party mo itong nangyari last year sa Bob Marley, sa ganyan ito. Basta itong sa Francia, nalingaw ako itong di ko talaga tanda. Basta itong sa Francia, ba kung Bob Marley, tama Bob Marley sumusisay. Itong sa Francia na Sunday nga nito, tapos may entrance exam pa kadto sa para sa UP. Yan. Siguro ba kung man to ang huring birthday party mo na mairibahan ka ng 5? Siguro mga after 5 years, 6 years, mga argya 4 years, or kung makaipon akong pamasahe or kwarta, try kong maguli pag graduation nindo mga 4 years from now kung makagraduate, yung man lang yan. Tapos basta kung kay Puan mo lang ni Kaulay, mag-text ka lang, ma-reply ako. Okay? Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Chino! Happy birthday, Chino! Happy birthday, Chino!
Chino, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!